Can we download voice message on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can download voice messages in our Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will need to do is open up your Instagram. Right there, you should be able to see the voice message that someone has sent you. Now, if you long press on it, there you will not see an option to download it. So what you can actually do here is the only option is you can just head over to your control panel and record the screen to just record the voice message. And after doing that, you can just, save it. That's one way you can do it. The other way is you can just download all of the information of your account. For that, head over to the settings and activity on your Instagram, head over to account center, and right there you should see your information and permission. Right there you will find an option to download your information. Tap on it, and then from here you can download or transfer information. Right here, choose some of your information, and from here just select the messages. So here you'll find the message option. Tap on messages and then tap on next. Then tap on download to device. Now you can select a date range and then create a file. After you've requested the file, they will just send you the information. They will send you a file from which you can download it, and then you're good to go. And that's how you can download voice message on Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.